Ayan. So, hello everyone. Pag-usapan natin itong cryptocurrency. So, currency to ni cryptocurrency to ni Trump at Trump supporter. So, ginamit siya. Isa siyang meme crypto. So, alam naman natin yung meme sa Facebook, diba? Maraming meme doon. So, it's like a joke, right? So, ang ano dito is this is the period na nanalo si Trump, right? Sa 1 week. So, Trump wins, right? So, meron siyang fluctuation dito. And then, although Trump is already president na si Trump, but yung MAGA is not performing very well. So, and then, if tinignan natin yung ano niya, na grabe yung dip niya from yung all-time high niya, di ba? So, ito yung mga average na ano niya, price. And then, nasa 20% dip siya. Although, from the very start, no, mataas na siya. Umakyat siya. Which is kung nag-invest ka during this time, mataas na to. Pwede mo na benta siya dyan. Diba? Pero, the question is, anong gagawin natin dito sa dip na to, diba? Kasi, meron siyang 20-30% dip. Ganyan. Bibili ba tayo o hindi? Yan anong palagay natin. Ganun. So, to me, I think we should invest on this. Kasi, Trump is already the president of, leading state or class first world, diba? State yan. So, kahit na meme siya, and now that he's a president, that this coin will stop being a meme coin. It will become a serious cryptocurrency in the future. And tingin ko kailangan natin siya bilhin because that's the currency of the cryptocurrency of the president of the United States. We're not talking about politics here. We're just talking about paano kumita ng pera. So it doesn't matter kung ano yung political position mo. I'm just here to, hindi ako nag-advocate na okay, maging Trump tayo or something. We're just talking here of whether paano tayo makakapag-generate ng maraming income. So, tingin ko, we should buy this dip, right? Because he's already the president of the United States. Along the line, the rest of the cryptocurrencies is already green. So, in the future, mag-green din yan eh. Pag nag-green na lahat. Actually, kung titingnan natin yung performance niya, patuloy pa siyang mababaan. Bababa pa yan, pero akit din yan eventually. Okay. Ano bang mga information dito? Sobrang dami nito. 44 million yung supply. So, 44 millions, $2 to eh. Around $2 yung price niya. Ayan. So, around $2. So, hopefully, maging aakyat yan kung umakyat yan ng 10, tapos bumili tayo ngayon, that's a big win already. But, I suggest we buy this. But, do your own research. Yeah, I think we should buy this coin. If it gets to 10 or 5 or whatever you wait, right? He's already the president of the United States. So, this coin will stop being a meme coin. It will become a serious cryptocurrency eventually. And then, ano pa? Yeah, it's on 30% discount, so you can buy it now. Popular asset. So the rest of the coins are going up. The rest of the crypto. So the possibility na aakyat yan is big. So everybody's going up, right? So except for this, and this, but yeah, it will join the trend of going up, which is this upward, which is nakakatawa, di ba? Kasi umakyat the rest of the cryptocurrency, umakyat sila, the rest of the cryptocurrency go up because of Trump winning the election. Pero yung currency ni Trump keeps on going down, so which is funny, right? But eventually, I would peerless forecast that it will go up because everything is going up. So the MAGA will also go up eventually. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you gain a lot of money trading. So yeah, if you're in the Philippines, please subscribe and yun, if you want to trade, kung wala pa kayong coins, you can use my referral below. Thank you.